Hey guys, so today we are going to do some sight words, and then at the end of this video I'm going to show you a fun activity that you can do to help you practice your sight words. But first off, we are going to start with me showing you a sight word and then you telling me that sight word. If you need more time to think about it before I give you the answer, make sure you pause the video so you can think. We are doing list M, so we are getting up there. Make sure that if you are not ready for list M, that you go back down to list A, list B, list C, and practice those words and then work your way up to this set. You can still use this activity with this set from list A. Just skip to the end of the video so you can see what the activity is if you want to practice this activity using list A. Anyway, let's go. Tell me this word. Once, like once upon a time. Going, where are you going? Were. Old. Give. Walk. Of. From. When. It's a question word. Had. All right, we have gone through all of our sight words. Now I'm going to lay them out, and I want you to point to the word that I'm asking you for. Remember, you can pause if you want to, or if you need to. Let's go. Point to the word from. Good job. Ooh, took another one. All right, point to the word of. United States of America. Point to the word when. The question word, when. Good job. Most question words start with the WH, that digraph. Okay. Point to the word once. Once upon a time. This one right there. Point to the word had. I had to get a piece of candy. Good job. All right, point to the word. Let me give you all the words first. Point to the word were. Right there. Keep destroying everything. Okay. Point to the word going. Where are you going? Point to the word give. Point to the word walk. Like we're going to walk on the blue line. What's this last word? Excellent job. That's the word old. All right, guys. So thank you so much for doing your sight words with me. Now it is time for a fun activity. So today's activity is a little bit messy. So if your parents say that you cannot do it, then you cannot do it, and you can do something else, or you can do one of the other activities. So for today, what you are going to need a piece of construction paper, some glue, and some glitter. I left my glitter in the other room, but you're gonna need some glitter. And if you are not allowed to use glitter and glue and those sorts of things, you can do one of the activities from the previous week. So you can do rainbow writing or pipe cleaners or yarn or I forget, or you could do the one that I'm going to do Wednesday. But if you are allowed to do glitter, you can do this one. And if you can only use glitter with your parents' help, then get your parents to help you so you do not make a mess in the house. Because Miss Erica made a mess in her house when she was little and mommy was not happy. So do not make a mess. Get your parents' permission. Ask them, can you use glitter? They say no, the answer is no. All right, other than that, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go into my craft room because that is an area where I'm allowed to use glitter. So I'm gonna go in there. We're gonna do some glitter, okay? Okay, cool. All right, so I am in my craft room or my cosplay closet so that I can use glitter. Now I have my bag of glitter. Yeah, let's go ahead and start. So what we are going to do, we are going to write our words using the glue, and then we're gonna sprinkle glitter on it. If you need to, you can use a Q-tip to help you write with the glue if you're having a little bit too much trouble. But remember, we are not pooling the glue. That's my role in my classroom, is we're not allowed to just sit there and just create a pool of glue. We got to keep it moving, because if you just create a pool of glue, it's never going to dry and it's going to make a mess. So we're not doing that. We're just writing with the glue, okay? If you need to use a Q-tip, you can use a Q-tip. I'm going to show you both ways, okay? All right, let's go. All right, the first word I'm going to do is the word of, okay? So I'm going to show you with just using just the glue how to do the word of. All right, so look, I didn't make any pools of glue. I kept it moving. Okay, now I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on it. Let's do this color. I have a lot of this color. So we're going to use this bluish color. Oh, need to not make a mess. All right. Okay. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to show you with a Q-tip, okay? I'm going to do the word old with a Q-tip. Okay, let's see what we get, okay? Let's see what we get. Look! I got it. Excellent job, guys. See, look at what we made. So remember, if you did this activity, to take a picture of it, because I want to see your beautiful sight words. Take a picture of it, put it on Google Classroom or Class Dojo so that I can see your beautiful work and that you are participating and still learning even while we are at home. Other than that, guys, make sure you wash your hands. Keep working on your sight words. Other than these videos, you should also still continue practicing your sight words because, like I said before, that is going to be the best way for you to learn how to read, because you will already know like half of the words in the books that we are reading, and it's going to be like, it's going to be ridiculous. You're just going to be like, oh my gosh, I can read this book, and I'm going to be so excited for you. So anyway, make sure you keep practicing your sight words. I will catch you all next time. Make sure you wash your hands, especially having all that glitter on it. Look, I still have glitter on my hands. Make sure you wash your hands, listen to your parents, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!